What's the speed limit on this roadway? 30?
30? Or 50 if not posted otherwise. Let me correct that one.
Right turn at the traffic sign. And a right turn into the road test center driveway. You almost got rear-ended. Why aren't you going? I'm wondering, why aren't you going? I'm just wondering.
Me? I didn't know she was there before me.
Yeah, but you could have turned, right?
I guess so.
Okay, let's park the vehicle. We're going to do the reverse parking on this side of the car again. You're looking at that, aren't you?
Can I readjust?
Sure. They give you one chance.
You do?
They do.